Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to create wireframes using Claude Code with the MockFlow WireframePro MCP server in under 2 minutes. First, open the MockFlow desktop app and create a new wireframe project. Next, go to your browser and copy the MCP server link from the MockFlow website to enable it for Claude Code. Now, switch to your terminal. Paste the link and run it. Since the desktop app is already open, the MCP server will activate automatically. Then, install and run Claude Code. Once it's set up, enter your prompt. For example, I'm planning to create wireframes for an online learning platform, including landing, course listing, course details, and payment pages. Provide a structured plan and key UI components for each page. Run the prompt. And within seconds, the output will be generated directly in the MockFlow desktop app. Now, head back to MockFlow. As you can see, wireframes are instantly generated from your prompt, and the best part is, they're fully editable and ready to customize. You can also export them to front-end code, add real UI elements, collaborate with your team, and much more. And that's it. You can now generate fully editable wireframes instantly using Claude Code with MockFlow MCP.